Good evening, everyone, and I'm so sorry that I'm on sabbatical leave. My name is Alizati, your chairperson, and I would like to check the attendance. My finance officer, Miss Alia, are you
Yes,
here?
I'm present.
All right, thank you. Occupational health and safety officer, Mariam, are
Yeah,
you
I'm
here?
here.
All right. Infrastructure and maintenance officer, Miss Tasha.
Yes, I'm here.
All right. Training officer, Miss Wansin.
Yes, I'm here.
Lastly, Public Relation Officer, Miss Manta.
Yes, I'm here.
All right, everyone is present. So first of all, Mariam, you're in charge in recording this meeting, right? For our future purposes.
Yeah, and recording already started.
All right, thank you. So first of all, I would like to ask who approved the minutes of meeting back then.
I am Alia and I approve the last meeting minutes.
All right, thank you. So without further ado, we're gonna do the agenda for today's meeting is to do a follow up, which I would like to get a feedback on actions plan. So since the since we are discussing about how to make the working environment safer, disabled friendly, and eco friendly, I would like to hear first from the occupational health and safety officer. Is it okay, Maria?
Yeah, of course. So last time, our plan was to do a seminar to our employees with the help of
Uh-huh.
Ms. Wensin to educate our employees on how to make our workplace safer, disabled friendly, and eco friendly. So, Ms. Wensin, can you please inform me what is the progress?
So thanks to Miss Mariam. So to collaborate with the Occupational Health and Safety Department, so all the details on the talk and the seminar will be given by cooperation by the department. So we are engaged the training on the escape routes for the fire drill. So during the talk and seminar, so we will show the escape route for each floor for the departments, and then they will get to know the exact how to face the situation if there is a fire. So so maybe we will arrange another day for to cover the proper fire emergency procedures. So I would like to add on the more experts in the correct way to use the fire extinguisher as the knowledge for the employees to handle all the emergency as well. So in the second months, so I would like to inform our finance officer, Miss Alia, that due to the concern of the safety workplace, so some of the fire safety products already expired. So we will plan to purchase like 20 units of new fire extinguisher, 20 units of new fire alarm, and as well as the 10 units of smoke detectors. So all the uh, cost will cover around 5,000. Is it okay for our budget, Miss Alia?
Yes, I think I have allocated uh, the budget for the fire alarms and the fire emergency procedures, but I still need to have the proper budget if you can provide me.
I should provide you the invoice and then the unit purchase so that you will have a more clear picture on the real budget.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I would like to clear up regarding the training that you would like to provide. Is it that we're gonna perform emergency drills too?
Yeah. So temporary first talk and seminar will give them the knowledge and then the escape route, the map. But the second one we will engage in another day so that uh, maybe we will collaborate with the fire departments that will invite some of the expert to teach on the correct way of the use of fire extinguisher. That will be further decide with our occupational health and safety department also.
All right, Miss Mariam. Back then, you said that you would map out every exit doorways on in our company. Is it already done?
I'm sorry, can you come again? Your voice is low.
It's so sorry. Back then, you told me that you would map out every exit doorways. So is it already done? Have you prepared?
Yeah, it's already done. It was done actually yesterday. We finished all the process.
All right. Can you send me the plan so that I can review it?
Okay, I'll email it to you.
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Um, um, Infrastructure and Maintenance Officer, Miss Tasha, do you have anything to add regarding the housekeeping measures that you told me back then?
I don't have anything to add about housekeeping routine, but I have to add. Okay, last for the previous meeting, I said that I want to change our traditional system into biometric system, right?
Yeah.
But I already deal with biometric system, which is iris recognition system. The budget is 10,000 to 18,000 per month. I don't think our finance officer will agree with this budget because technician have to update the software every month to make sure the system is updated.
Well,
Can I have it from my finance officer, Miss Alia?
I'm so sorry to inform Miss Tasha because we kind of have a very tight budget. So I thought we have already agreed on thumbprint system instead of biometric system, and I've already discussed with our public relations officer to collaborate with one of the biggest IT company in Malaysia, right, Miss Samantha?
Yes, we did.
Yeah.
And I have something to say regarding that.
All right.
So I've met with the person from that IT company. I'm sorry, can you guys hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. And due to incomplete budget proposal as well as some incomplete paperwork, I don't think that it can be done in the nearest time. So, may I know who I can get back to? Should I?
I think, Miss Natasha,
Yes.
can you say we cannot proceed with the biometric system? So I would like you to make a new budget on the thumbprint system,
Correct.
and then send it to me for review purpose, and then I can get back to you, Miss Samantha.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right. So I will email to Miss Alia and also Miss Samantha for the proposal.
Maybe
Yeah,
get back to Miss
yeah.
Samantha.
All right. Thank you very much. So can we move on to the next item, which is making our work environment disabled friendly?
From finance department, I would like to inform some good news. Well, the Department of Social Welfare of Malaysia have kindly contributed 200,000 ringgit for the action plan for the disabled friendly work environment. And that's great, right? And then one more good news is that my department and the public relation department have approached one NGO, Damai Disabled Person Association Malaysia, and they are willing to give us just a small donation, but I believe it's better than nothing. And they are willing to give the donation in exchange of us organizing an awareness campaign related to mental and physical disabilities in our company, as well as attending the programs held by them at the center in Gombak. But it would be a bi-monthly program, so we don't have to go there every week or every month. Just maybe every.
I see.
So
Yeah. Yeah. Continue.
will everyone agree on that, or should I still
I would.
discuss with the
I
manager?
would. I would like to know my public relation officer, Miss Samantha's opinion on that.
Regarding the program that we let me see if I get this right. So in exchange for getting donations,
Yes.
we are to host a campaign on awareness, and another one of their uh another one is we have to attend a program that is conducted by their company at Gombak.
Yes, yes, correct.
Um, may I know the people who will be attending?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, which department are they from?
Oh, we
So
just have to.
we have to
Uh,
send people there, aren't we?
I believe it's a volunteering program. So
Ah,
every 2 months we will select several people from each department to attend the program. But
That's great.
okay.
I can I can negotiate with them to just maybe do one of the two conditions. We don't have to do both.
Yeah,
Yeah, I can. Yeah, I can
because I
discuss
kind
with
of
them.
agree with the campaign because
Mm-hmm.
it's on us, but then attending the program monthly, that would again we have to see the schedule. Right now, our company is quite busy,
Yeah.
so
Right. I think we can work on that.
Mm.
Maybe we have like a mini meeting for that. What about my infrastructure and maintenance officer, Miss Tasha?
All right.
But then
All
you
right.
So
tell
sorry,
So
me
I'll be back in Miss Alia.
we wanted to
Miss Alia, is that safe?
do
Sorry to interrupt, but I have an emergency. I'll be back in few minutes.
all right.
Sorry.
Miss Alia Izati, I can't hear you. Can you repeat that?
Right. But you said about doing a disabled friendly parking ramps and wheelchair. What's the progress?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for interrupting, but can I have I believe the background noise comes from one scene, so can you kindly turn off your audio if you're not talking, and then turn on
Yes,
after
the dog
that.
is barking.
Oh, sorry.
Thank
I
you very
will
much.
stop the audio first.
Mhm. Just when you're not, yeah. Thank you.
All right. Okay. So can you repeat that, Alia?
All right. Back then you did say about wanting to do a disabled friendly parking ramps, wheelchair, and braille in lifts. What's the progress about that? Yeah.
Okay. I already checked. We can proceed with that since the budget is, since the budget is reasonable and affordable, so we can still proceed with that, and we have no problem with that.
All right. Sure. Thank you.
By the way, I have a suggestion because one of my friend is working at AIA and they are doing a promotion like a package for insurance. Perhaps we can, you know, perhaps we can suggest our disabled friendly worker to apply this insurance. What do you think?
Is this like a some kind of incentive?
Yes.
I see. I think we can revise that in our company policy or something. We can work on that.
Sorry for interruption, but
Yeah.
add on Miss Samantha's point. As for our
Uh-huh.
department, the occupational safety and health, we've already been studying the plan of applying a health insurance for all the company employees, not only the disabled employees. So maybe we can discuss about this plan and we can combine our work together.
Alright, sure.
So I'm Miss Wan Xin from finance. No, from training department. Sorry about that. For the signage and the installment, I believe that our maintenance officer have done very good job on that. But I have another point to cover that we maybe can use the donation to cover on the assistive technology, which is we wish to purchase the color code keyboards on 5 units. So there will be reduced the burden of the disabled workers. And as well as we mentioned about the renovation of the washroom for disabled workers. So the bigger layout to fit the size of the wheelchair. So maybe I will need to ask more budget from finance officer for the renovation and the purchase of assistive technology.
Alright, I would like to hear that from finance officer before we move on to the next item.
As I have announced just now that we have an additional 200,000 fund from 200,000 ringgit fund from the Department of Social Welfare. So I believe that is not a problem. We can proceed with the plan.
Alright. So can we move on to the next item?
Eco-friendly.
Yeah, sure. Alright. So eco-friendly. Who would like to add on that? Because back then you guys have a lot of opinion, right?
I would like to ask the training officer regarding the training program. I believe you did suggest to have a training program to raise awareness on the environment. How is the progress?
Yeah. Talking back to the training program, so I have the ideas that the reward program should be given for the department that have the least waste of the electricity and paper. So we will launch this program and give them some reward on hampers or maybe certificates for that department. So on the other side, the team with the most of the usage of electricity, paper or non-recyclable product, have to join the eco-friendly
I'm so
talk
sorry
for the training.
Is
So
this regarding
this
the monthly green challenge that Miss Alia proposed back then?
yeah. So Miss Alia did mention about the monthly recycle monthly green recycle month. So this is one of the program that we will launch that we hope by giving the reward and there will be more awareness for each department so that we can bring out the sustainable awareness as well.
Should the public relation department collaborate with the Ministry of Health in obtaining the certificate?
Are you asking me?
Yeah,
Sorry.
Yeah.
I will try to get back to you on that. However, you can see that my face is quite confused as I have not gotten the audit yet on that part. So that's why I'm quite trying to process. So if I could get the audit for that program you guys you are talking about, it would be nice. Yeah, you're going to organize, it would be nicer. And yes, I think I can work it out with the department, the Ministry of Health.
Alright. Do you have anything? Do you guys do you have anything to add for this meeting?
No.
No.
Is that so? I guess we covered everything. Right?
Can we
So
please set
just
our next meeting time?
yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Just send me the detailed updated report via email. Yeah.
Sure.
Alright.
All right.
Thank you so much. See
Thank
you.
you.
Okay,
See
thank
you.
you.
Bye.